Setting up email marketing for restaurants. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up an email marketing account for your restaurant. And we're going to use Aweber to do it because Aweber offers us free automation, a one-stop automation, where most email marketing platforms make you pay for automation. So if you're just getting started and you don't have email set up, this is really great because we can create a landing page here, what we're going to do, and we're going to create an email automation. Okay, so let's get started. First step, you're just going to go to aweber.com and you are going to sign up. I've already tried this before, so let's just do my name, my last name. Let's see, I used those before. rest@gmail.com. Okay, so you're going to put your name, your last name, and your email address, and you're going to push Start Growing Today. Okay, they're going to create your account. Now you need to go to your Gmail and get started. That's just the authentication of your account. Now you need a good password, so enter any strong password that you want. Save password. Invalid. Please enter a correct login. Oh yeah, I don't even have the... Okay, so you're going to enter your email, password. I don't even remember what I put here. Okay, save your password, and there you go. Your account should be set up. Let's save that. So we're going to start with the free plan here. So you get up to 500 subscribers. You get one email list, one landing page, one email automation, one user to manage it, basic email support. Now, if you already have a list, you might already be on a different platform. So you could import your list here, or you could just not do that, not worry about it. But for right now, you're just getting started on this, then you want to just do the free one because it's free and you don't have any subscribers. So we'll continue with the free one here. Just call it whatever your name, whatever the name of your company is, the name of your restaurant. So we'll just call it Rest here. Put in your website or your Facebook page, your Yelp, whatever you want to put into here, your Twitter, industry, category. You could just put restaurants. Have you used Aweber before? Yes, I understand the basics, so just put that. I'm going to show you how to do all this stuff. Next up, you need to put in your address. This is important because they make you have an address for anti-spam laws. So just throw in your address here. I'll throw in mine. And that's it. And you're ready to go. No, I'm just getting started. Do you already have any email? No, you don't. Maybe you do. You can import your list. But for these purposes, we're just going to say no. You want to grow your audience, send a newsletter, sell products or services. That's basically what you want to do. I mean, you don't have to put that. You can skip it if you want. What other tools do you use for your business? You can skip that. They don't need to know all this information. Okay, so now we have our account here. So we want to publish your pre-built sign-up page. So let's publish this and click here. Now this is the sign-up page that you're going to use for your restaurant. So you're going to want to put this page, you can say whatever you want here. Sign up for email updates, make sure you never miss a post. I'll also let you know about new things I'm working on and giving other interesting updates. So you need to put something here that's compelling, right? sign up for restaurant deals and specials right into your inbox. And you can say weekly, you can say daily, you can say whatever you want. I mean, ideally, you're sending these out a couple of times a week, maybe even a couple times a day, or maybe even daily, depending on what kind of restaurant you own. Like if you own a pizza restaurant and you sell pizza, it's very important that you just send out this daily. Don't try to do a one coupon a week and a 20% off or something like that. You can just literally send an email out every single day that says, hey, come get your fresh hot pepperoni pizza, or whatever variation of that. No images. You're not going to add any pictures to any of these. You're just going to do that and you're going to send it to your list because you want to keep your restaurant relevant. You want to keep yourself top of mind so that people remember that you're there, and then they will come and they will buy your pizza because people love pizza, and they will come and they will get it. Now, if you're a steakhouse, you might send this out on Thursdays or Fridays, right? So it all just depends on your market and the flow of how many emails you want to send. But the idea is you're sending these out to customers to keep them top of mind. So people who have already signed up, who have already been to your restaurant, you're going to have this because you want them to keep coming back for more. And the best way to get people to come back for more is to remind them that you're there. Right? Most restaurants do a terrible job at reminding people that they're there. So this is what you're doing. So sign up for email updates, sign up for restaurant deals and specials right into your inbox weekly, daily. Let's say you're going to say daily. Okay, email. It's gonna make you do the first email. Now you just save and exit. And there you go. Let's see, preview. Oh, you can publish the page. Okay, so now the page is published. So you just copy this here. Oh, copy page link. And whoever your webmaster is, this is what it's going to look like. Oh, well, wait, it's still in the... Why did it do that? Oh, I'm editing it. Done. Wait, maybe you just want to go here. Oh, preview. Okay, so here's what it's going to look like on desktop, and here's what it's going to look like on mobile. So pretty simple, and you can share this on, you copy the page copy link. Let's actually do an incognito window here. See what this thing looks like. Well, it's not giving it to us for some reason. Why isn't it giving us the link? Maybe we didn't publish it officially. Preview. Okay, it looks good here. So if we share the link to, let's say, Twitter, okay, well, it's showing that the link is there, but for whatever reason it's not. Oh, you just click on it, there it is, it's updated. So now that we have this, you're gonna use this, and you're gonna have it redirect. You're gonna put this on your website basically to where this is redirecting to this post. Now there might be other ways to do this via your WordPress, where you integrate Aweber and there's a sign up page just like this, but ideally you're just going to be sending people to this page to get people to sign up. And even if you have to do this manually at first, right? If you just say, hey, however you're getting email addresses from customers, whether it be, online orders or however you're doing it, obviously they need to opt in to an email. So online orders, it might be tricky just to take their email and sign them up for it. though, if you have a sign up page at your restaurant and you can have them sign up, maybe, at the host stand or throughout the night, maybe it's on the receipt or something like that, you could just enter these in manually for people, right? That you would just do yourself. You just enter in customer name, whatever, and then submit it. So however you need to get these emails, they need to go into here. And as soon as they go into here, then they will go into your your list of subscribers right here. So just like the first list is going to be your name. The first person that signed up is you, right? Okay, so now we have that set up. Now let's do the automation, actually. So the automation is basically the campaign. So welcome campaign template. Perfect. So let's edit this thing. So here's what it is. Triggers on new subscribers. So this email automation basically means when somebody subscribes to your list, when they go to the sign up page and they sign up for your list, they get an automatic email for this list. So we tag them with a welcome campaign, and then we're just going to send them this message here. So I already have it set up for you. Let's see, where is it? Okay. Subject line. Welcome to restaurant name. Here's a special offer for you. Special offers are good. You can offer them 10% off, 20% off, a free Coke, whatever, a free dessert, depending on, if you're a higher end restaurant, you might offer a free dessert, whatever it is to make them come back as soon as possible. Something that it's just too good to be true. And they come in, and then after that, right, you're going to have, if a customer comes in once, then ideally you're going to have them keep coming in. And so the first email is just going to be a special offer for them. Okay, so we're just going to copy and paste this. So this says, hi, name. Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. We're excited to share our latest dishes, exclusive events, and special promotions just for our community. As a welcome gift, enjoy X% off your next meal, a free appetizer or dessert with your next visit. Whatever you want to put here, you put that right here. Just show this email when you visit. We look forward to seeing you soon. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook to stay updated with all the tasty news. Best, and then the name of the restaurant, the team. It can be your name if it's just you. So here we go. Copy this, and I'll leave a link for this in the comments. YouTube doesn't like putting links in the description, so I'm not going to do that, but I'll leave it in the comments. So for this Google document, that you could just come and copy and paste it if you want. So it's straight up free, anybody to use. And then you just paste it into here. There's a couple of quotes in here. Let's just say, do a few spaces here. Spaces, spaces, space, space, and space. Got it, thanks. Okay. Add preview text. So subject line, I don't think we want it to be thank you for signing up. Welcome to. Okay, that's what we want. Copy. And boom. And then preview text. Preview text is really just going to be the first. It's just going to say this. Thank you for subscribing to the newsletter. This, I mean, it's not super relevant, but you could have it. Okay, once you do that, save and exit. And now your automation, actually save and exit again. And now your automation is set up. So that's it. So we created your list, which is restaurant, whatever, you could name that whatever you wanted to, right? And then we set up your automation, and we set up the custom sign up form. So basically that's it. I mean, we can test the sign up process here just to see. Let's just test. Just to see that this works. Get notified. So activate your subscription. Let's just see if this worked here. Subscribers. Okay, so because this person didn't give a name, well, did they not give a name, or, oh, you know what? We didn't make them give a name on our automation. So let's go back to our campaign. No, sorry. Let's go back to our page, our sign up form, and let's edit this so that we can have their, actually, you know what? We don't even need their name. Most of the time we'll have their name here. So you can get their name. You can add that to this form if you want. But I think it's probably easier not to, because you're just getting the email. You just want to have the email from them. So we don't need to worry about having their name. Email is the easiest thing, especially at a restaurant. You just say, just let me have your email. You don't necessarily need their name. For these purposes, we don't need them. So don't worry about the name. But as you see, we signed up. We got another subscriber, which is just me again. So it works. So that's it. All they have to do is, it's pending because they haven't confirmed it. So anytime you see that it's pending, it means that they haven't gone into their email to confirm it. So now you have an email automation flow set up for your subscribers, for your customers, for your clients, and you can just send them this page, your link to sign up for your email. And once they get on your list, you're just going to email them. And I'm going to add, the next video is going to be 10 emails that you can email your customers throughout the week, throughout the month, right? Special holiday emails, whatever they are. I'm going to create that in the next video just to give you an idea of some of the emails that work really well when sending to clients. And now remember, you don't want to put images in these things because images lower the open rates on emails by 30%. I mean, if you think of any email you've ever seen, Target or Walmart or whatever, and there's images in it, you already know there's going to be images in it, and you just don't even want to see any of those images. And you might think, oh, we're going to add an image of a pepperoni pizza or an image of a steak, or you don't want to do that. You want to keep it up to their imagination, okay? Because images just lower open rates. Just trust me on this. You don't want to have images. It all just needs to be plain text. It needs to be like it is from their friend to them. Friend to friend, not corporation or restaurant to them. It needs to be friend to friend because everybody opens up emails from their friends. And if your emails look like they're from their friends, they will open them, they will read them, and they will come buy your stuff. But if they look like they're from Walmart or Target, they won't come and buy as much. That's it. Okay, like and subscribe if you want. If you actually want help doing this, you don't want to do this yourself, you want me to do this for your restaurant, let me know. My email address is it's actually right here, not with the rest. I mean, you can do that if you want, and yeah, I can help you do this for your restaurant. Okay, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.